Hey, teachers, here's a video on how you use templates for assignments in Google Classroom. You'd need to do this if you assign something to students and you wanted to turn everybody to turn something in, but maybe had like a framework for what they were going to work on first. So to do that, you go to classwork and you have whatever assignment you're giving students. And so this will be some instructions. Uh, right. Prompt given. So then here you will, if you already have a kind of a template, like a Google Doc template, you can pull it from here. If you don't yet, you can actually create one. If you go to create and then docs, then it will actually create a brand new Google Doc, just a blank one. Um, and you go ahead and name it. And then you can start your template. This is what everybody will have on their assignment. And then you can have more than one question. You have spaces in between, things like that. But you might have you can have whatever on here you want. Just you want whatever you want to share with students to be on here. So there is my template. If I go back here, sometimes it doesn't name it right away. That's okay. What you want to do though for this template that you created was go to this. You want to make a copy for each student. Um, so then when this is assigned to students, everybody gets their own copy. It's put in a folder or in a Google Drive folder, and so you'll have a separate document for each student that's turned in. You can mess with whatever you want to as far as these details. And then once it's ready, of course, you can either schedule as an assignment for later, or you can sign it right away. This just shows up as a regular assignment, but when students open it up, once they start their document, it makes a separate copy for each student that opens up the assignment. So yeah, that's how you use templates for creating assignments in Google Classroom.